Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that in your laptop, you're facing the issue because when you connect with your Wi-Fi, after connecting with your Wi-Fi, your internet is not working. So how you can fix that? Either you have an internet connection, so after that your problem gonna solve. So the first step is that we just follow all these steps, which I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. The first step is that we just restart your basic thing. The first step is just restart your laptop. Maybe you have a PC, so just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just have to just restart your Wi-Fi router. So just go to your Wi-Fi routers and just turn it off and again on it. After that, we check that if your Wi-Fi internet connection is working or not. It's not working, then we just have to just go to this step 2. The step 2 is that we just have to just forward and reconnect your Wi-Fi. So just go to the Wi-Fi settings, just go to settings, just go to the settings of your and just go to the internet connections, which I'm gonna right now. So just go to the network and Wi-Fi and see that I'm gonna connect with that one, and you have just have to just right click on that and just wait like that, and just right click on that and just forward from here and just again you reconnect from here. So after reconnecting, just check that it's working or not. If it's not working, just have to just go to the step 3. The step 3 is that you just have to run a network troubleshooter. So just follow step. The first step is that you just go to the settings, system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and you run internet connections and network adapters. So how you can do that? Simply just go to the settings again. Just right click and just go to settings and just go to the system. So just wait and just go to the home and just see the option of our system. Same interface in the window 11. So just see the option of a network. System and troubleshoot. So just wait, I'm gonna find the troubleshoot. If we don't find, additional options. If you don't find, don't worry, you just have to just go to the home again and just simply search troubleshoot and see that I'm gonna find it. So just going to that, and after that other troubleshooters. See the option of an other troubleshooters. If you don't find, just click on that and see that I'm just currently facing the internet connection. So you click on that and run the troubleshooter. So after running that troubleshooters, your problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve, so just follow the step 4. The step 4 is that you just have to just change your DNS. It's very important. So if your problem not gonna solve, so just go to the cross it. I'm gonna go to the again settings, which I'm gonna tell that from the scratch again. Settings, go to network and internet. Just right click settings, network and internet. Just find it. And other thing is advanced network settings. You see the advanced network settings here. I'm gonna go it. And the other thing is more internet adapter options. So I'm gonna find that, just change adapter options. Just click on that. After clicking there, they're saying that right click a Wi-Fi. So just click on the Wi-Fi, right click and see the option for properties. Just going that. And the other thing is double click internet protocol version. So go on to that interface. They're saying that double click internet protocol version 4. So see that is showing internet protocol version 4. So I'm gonna tick it. After that, just select use the following DNS. So I'm gonna find that where it have. So I'm gonna go to the configure. Just wait, I'm gonna go to the again. Right click the properties and see the internet protocol version. Just double click from here and see the select using the following DNS. So you see the using the following DNS IP address. You see that, just click on that and just paste the preferred data from here, which will available in my description. So after that, just copy it from here and just OK it. After OK it, you just cross it and just OK it again. So after that, if your problem gonna solve, that's good. But it's not so, you just follow the fifth step. Fifth step is that you just disable your IPv6. So if you don't know where you can do that, just again right click on there and just go to properties and just scroll down and see the option of Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6. Just have to just off from here, just uncheck from here and just OK it. After that, just go back. And after that, if you're wrong on a solve, that's good. If not, just have to just follow the step 6. The fifth step is that you just have to flush DNS, and that is a CMD method. So just copy that code and just paste in your CMD. If you don't know where you have a CMD, just type from the search bar CMD, and just run it and just paste that code here. After that, you just cross it and just restart your PC again. After that, you're probably gonna solve. If not, just follow the step 7. Step 7 is that you just update and install your Wi-Fi drivers. If you don't know where you can find that, just right click from the window and see the option of a device manager. Just click on that and see the option of a network adapter. Just click on and see the option of a YVAN mini port IPv6. In your case, maybe it's showing the IPv4 because you can select that. So just right click and see the option of an update driver. Just update the drivers. After updating it's not working, then you just have to just uninstall the drive and also device. And again restart your PC and again install and the from Windows automatically. After that, just follow the 8 step. 8 step is that you just have a new network reset. So just going to the settings, right click, go to the settings and just go to the network and internet section and see the option of a network reset. Just click on that. After clicking, just tap to just restart your PC again. After that, they will remove all the save Wi-Fi passwords and tell you that you don't have connect with any Wi-Fi. So just have to just simply connect with your Wi-Fi. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos and also more related to problem solving according to the Windows 11 and 10 problems which I'm gonna solve in the upcoming videos.